Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to generate Amazon affiliate link using mobile phone. First, open your Amazon account on your browser, and then you will see their Amazon link. Click on it, and click on the three dots on the upper right portion, and tap on desktop site, wherein it will redirect you to your homepage and Amazon account in a desktop design or style. As what you can see, you can now zoom in to see it clearly. Now, let's choose a product in which we are going to get the link. Before we get the link of the product, let's try if we can really zoom it in and see the important details of the product closely. So what you can see is very clear. And then, how to copy the link? Just click on the arrow, and then it will show you some options. Just click on copy link, and then paste it on the search bar or anywhere you want to paste it if you want to save it. And that's how to generate Amazon affiliate link using your mobile phone.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.